In this video, we're going to take a look at the tools that come with the Hoover Accessory Kit. In the kit, you'll find an up-to-top tool, radiator tool, the flexible crevice tool, and the deep cleaning brush. Taking a closer look at each tool and how they can further help with specific jobs around your home. First up, the up-to-top tool has 3 adjustable hinges to help position it for cleaning the tops of cupboards. The dusting brush can be unclipped to reveal an upholstery nozzle, which is ideal for curtains. The radiator tool is a slim tool with bristles that fits into narrow spaces, making it perfect for cleaning your radiators or blinds. It can also be extended for length when you need that little bit of extra reach. The flexible crevice tool can bend to reach awkward areas, such as in between kitchen appliances or down the side of your car seats. Helping with cleaning the car interior and other carpeted surfaces around the house is a deep cleaning tool, which is for where stubborn dirt needs to be brushed to loosen it before vacuuming, such as dried mud from shoes in the footwell of your car. For added convenience, inside the box you'll find an adapter and a handy storage bag. This kit helps you get the most from your cordless Hoover vacuum for thorough cleaning all over your home and your car.